Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page we scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then in here tap on one-handed mode, toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, it will go into the next setting page, and here you can also tap on the toggle button at the top to switch it off or turn it on. But it also has some additional features that you can set, such as you can set the activate method by using gesture or buttons. So if it's button, you can double tap on the home button to reduce the size of the window, or you can use gestures to reduce the display size by simply swiping near the bottom here, swipe it downwards to the edge of the screen. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.